guys, I'm Miss Lisa. For this device, Acura TSX, some people tell me their air climate information not show or is not work. So let me show you how to check. To the car setting and the system information about device. Go to the can check this version, this CAN protocol version. If it shows unknown, then the Wi-Fi is not well connected. Position not well connected. It's is this position. You need to let the clip this to the upside. Clip it, and also this place you need to connect, otherwise the AC information will not show on the screen.